सर की जहाँ तक बात करें तो उनका ड्रीम है, उनका एक तरह से विजन है कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों को सेल्फ फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग प्रोवाइड कर सके। एक बार जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करिए प्रसन्ना दानी सर का। हाँ,
यहाँ से करो।
हाँ।
Good morning, Sampark. This is my Parichay today. I am Prasanna Dani. I am co-founder of Qfinancial IMF, which is a wealth management company in Nagpur. This is my personal information. This is about my family. Mrinal Dani, which is she is an entrepreneur herself. She is a co-founder at Mauli Creations and she is a member at Sampark in JRL Sampark. Dr. Arun Dani, he is my father. He is an agriculturist. He is a retired lecturer from GS College of Commerce and Economics. Sandhya Dhani, she is retired as a senior branch manager at Nagpur District Central Cooperative Bank. These are my daughters, Zai, which is the bigger one, and she is studying in 12th standard in Dr. Ambedkar College. She is a badminton player and loves dancing. She is an aspiring company secretary and she aspires to become a law professional. Sai is studying in 9th standard in Mount Carmel Girls School. She is a badminton player, she is an artist and she wants to become a lawyer too. This is my brother Kaustubh Dani. He is an MCom MBA, he is a consultant with Basics Microfinance in Western Maharashtra. Madhura is wife and Mallar and Manwa both are studying in schools. These are my activities. Actually, I'm born and brought up in Nagpur. My hobbies are playing games, watching movies, reading books, traveling and driving. My topic of interests are discussing economics, creative visualization, scientific research, rational and spiritual thinking. This is my professional information. My business name is Qfinancial IMF, which me and my brother started in 2018. I'm a senior consultant in the company. We started in 1999 actually. We have an experience of 24 years in total. Our business description is we are into consulting and providing financial understanding for a better and secured future. Our nature of work is insurance and financial product distribution. Our previous experience is I have worked as independent wealth manager with specialization in risk management through term plans and health insurance claim settlements. My educational qualification is MCom, DBM, MBA. I'm an associate member of Insurance Institute of India. As my skills are into sales and applied skills. My social networks starts from 2013. I was the president of JCA Nagpur Orient in 2013. From 16 to 20, I have been an executive committee member at Vidarbha Management Association. 2021, I was selected as the secretary at VMA. And 21-22, I have been a vice president there as well as director of public relations in Rotary Club of Nagpur South. In 22-23, that was the last year, I was the secretary at Rotary Club of Nagpur South and currently I am the vice president at the club. So I am associated with all these social organizations including Sampark. So looking forward 5 years down the line, I wanted to create a network of financial professionals with high standards of ethics and professionalism. 10 years down the line, maybe 6 to 8 years down the line, we want to create a cohesive atmosphere for managing wealth. 15 years down the line, I have a dream of becoming the largest wealth manager in the financial product distribution market. Referrals that would work for me are as follows. They are mutual fund distributors. You can connect with two financial insurance professionals, people who travel a lot, young professionals such as doctors or lawyers, people with ITR for more than 5 lakh rupees, persons who have recently sold a property can be referred to me. Thank you very much.